In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to Google Slides. Adding music can really elevate the atmosphere of your presentation and keep your audience more engaged. So let's dive into it. First, go ahead and open your Google Slides presentation. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive and locating the presentation you'd like to work with. If you haven't started your presentation yet, simply create a new one by clicking on the New button in the upper left corner of Google Drive and select Google Slides. Having your presentation open and ready will be the stepping stone for everything we are about to do. Once you have your presentation ready, look towards the top of the menu bar in Google Slides. Here you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Audio. This is where you can add the music or sound you've chosen to enrich your slides. Selecting your audio file brings us to the next step. Google Slides will prompt you to choose an audio track from your Google Drive. Ensure that your audio file is saved there ahead of time. Browse through your files and pick the one you want for your presentation. Keep in mind that Google Slides supports various audio formats, so you should have no problem finding one that works for you. Now that you've selected your audio, it's time to set playback options that suit your presentation style. When you insert the audio file, a Format Options sidebar automatically appears on the right side of your screen. Under Start Playing, make sure to select Automatically. This ensures that your music starts playing as soon as you reach the slide with the audio in your presentation. Additionally, you might want to check the option Hide Icon when presenting. This will conceal the audio icon so it doesn't distract from the visual elements of your slides. With everything set up, it's time to test it out. Simply click on Present at the top right corner of your screen. This essentially lets you experience your presentation as your audience will. Pay attention to see if the audio starts seamlessly and if the icon remains hidden as intended. Adjust the audio settings if needed to fine-tune how it complements your visual content. As you've just witnessed, adding background music can transform your slides by bringing a new level of energy and professionalism. Whether it's a subtle melody that accompanies an emotional story or a lively beat that keeps momentum high, the right music will enhance your message and the audience's experience. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.